So today we are going to make Parmesan cheese, but we're going to make a dairy-free Parmesan cheese. And the reason we're going to show you how to make it is because there's lots of kids and adults now with lactose intolerance, or they've got some sort of dairy intolerance. So we're going to make it for you. It's like a vegan Parmesan cheese. I don't like to use the word vegan lightly, but it is. It's animal cruelty-free too, isn't it? And whole food. All right, and Olive's eaten all the cashews which we need, so I'll just put them back in there. Oh, no, you can't eat any more. You've had so many already. So it's 3/4 of a cup of cashews and pasta for later. Yep, and 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes. If you don't know what they are, you can buy them at any health food shop, and they're full of B vitamins, and they bring a cheesy flavour into your dishes. So nutritional yeast flakes, this is what's going to make it taste cheesy. And some salt, I think it's a 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And what have we got here? Garlic powder, just 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. You know what? I would probably put more garlic powder in it because I like garlic, but we want it still to taste or resemble Parmesan cheese. So, you're eating it already. Wait till we put the Parmesan cheese on top. You'll like it better. Okay, let's go. You don't like Parmesan cheese? You love cheese on your pasta. Okay, so you just keep processing until it becomes like the same texture as Parmesan cheese. All right, so I'm going to show you the texture of it. Can you see that? So that's like Parmesan cheese. I'm going to put some on the pasta, how about that? And I'm going to grab it off, she's going to eat it all. Bit of Parmesan cheese on your pasta. There you go, and there you have it, vegan Parmesan cheese for all those people that are missing out.